welcome to Brotuned. Today I'm just going to try for the first time ever running some reloading drills with my X95. Never tried this before, so I'm going to try it today in front of the camera. Come up on target, fire one shot, drop the mag, reload. Here we go, going hot. So that was pretty slow. That was my first time ever trying this, so now let's try again. Okay. That one was a little bit faster, but obviously there's a lot of room for improvement there. Kind of just getting the mechanics down for this rifle system. It's getting a little bit quicker every time, I believe. Let's see what we can do now. Okay, on that one, I forgot to drop the bolt forward with my thumb when I load the mag in. Basically like this. So, try that again. Two more shots. Okay. That was very slow also. That was a little better. Still shitty, but try different mags now. So we got the old metal GI mag. I'm gonna shoot one shot out of this and then go to a P mag. Now I'll do one mag out of all the mags, just roll through them until we're out. The question is, where do I hold these? So, put one or two in the front pocket, one in the back pocket, the other one in the rifle. Here we go. There you have it. That's the best I could do now. See what happens with a little bit more practice. It's mag dump. Haven't done this before. Let's get this rifle a little bit warmer than it was when we started. That's as much as you can do in Canada legally.